For breaking news, go to iDiskiTimes.co.za. iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiskiTimes.co.za. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Amazulu 1 in the Carling Black Label Knockout Tournament. It means Amazulu go through to the next round of this tournament. Number one was a poor game of football, an absolutely poor game of football, both from Amazulu and Kaizer Chiefs as well. Secondly, Dolly was voted as the man of the match in this game. He is not the man of the match. You can go wherever you want to go. Dolly is not the man of the match in this game. He's not the best player of that game. You voted for him, of course. It's same as Lodge was not the best player yesterday. You voted for him as well. This is going to be an experiment that fails this season. It will never happen again. Black Label thought that they were innovating. We're going to put pressure on all of these guys. They're not going to allow fans to vote for man of the match again. It's definitely, I promise you, it's not going to happen again next year, because they will see it's a failed experiment. You can't choose someone who didn't affect the game to be the man of the match. But Amazulu go through to the next round. Congratulations to them. It was a shit show from both teams. Junior Khanye, our analyst, what did you make of the game, sir?
Justice. Keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, it's a shame our football is going backwards in future. If Ukigeni is voted as a man of the measure. But if funny enough, you can't cheat this game. You can lie here with DStv Premiership, and then South Africa as a whole, we won't win anything. Or will never even go through to any domestic trophies in Kulmangalama trophy to compete around the world with the best. It's not going to happen. Because late daylight robbery. Now Kigen had a poor game for me. A poor game, Kigen Dolly. Yet, and then vice versa. So whoever voted him, Naim Shambi must be ashamed of himself. Or Labu Bantabam voted. Kulego going to the game. There's no failed wins the basic. Both teams, Amazulu and Kaizer Chiefs, failed to do a basic football. Amazulu, Kaizer Chiefs, and Amazulu. My principles of game. Ipola, if need team, Jeng Amazulu and Petit Pola, and then there's a gap between defense and midfield, na front players, and then how you gonna combine as a team? Ipol position in Zobana Yoganjan. Bebabi Gumremi alone up front. Both right and left forward players, they didn't function in Kulmanga Amazulu. In the middle, there's so many pole position. And Yamtando Pulextian, Umfana, Unali Talente, but Dungadali Gumlimazaga Kulu in terms of match fitness. Him, Brooks, also, what's his name? Mutswa Ben. Footy extend was front three, but dropping too much. Negative football and too many back pass, especially side in Labo. But Lalipo middle too much, not hitting even Kaizer Chiefs. No one wanted to run behind the defense of Kaizer Chiefs. But static too much. The ball position was going negative, side to side, backwards, short pass, chop, goalkeeper must play a long ball. And it doesn't make sense if you really go. And first off, not even shot on target in Kulmanga Sepalin because of Agye Kumuntu. Obega funa ukuthatha responsibility. One, akunama runs eteamini yabo ngikhuluma Amazulu ukurana behind the defense of Kaizer Chiefs. Confident, there's no confident ama-play Amazulu abacombine. So bebazofika kanjani ebhalini. Aside in the Kaizer Chiefs, the chances first half, but akusama chance about creative now. Ama moment avele out of the blues. Bekuba individual brilliance. I mean, mangabe uzoba ne strike esifana na Chief Varus Trope all the way. From le boxing with Dilana Zebala Center, Velozo Shama 45 yards. Nale Polar Shailo Monument might look good. This is a very brilliant shot. Poor thinking. Because yes, Gubul Shaile Sawakora, Besosha is under, but fair Nkulego. Ela Pola Bianga combiner. But combine and Abana Bainza and Amazulu Kaizer Chiefs, we had so many players that they were off now. Matlo was off, two individual off, Mart. Udlala kanjani Martez attacker coach bese udlalisa uMatlo as he holding midfield. So there's no energy kuMatlo. Marto runner all over as always. And truly speaking, mina nkuleko as ngisho le game nje both teams they're poor and they can't even ama-passes abakwazi kuya ama-pass boyi-2 ama-team ngeke ushaye umuntu ngebhola la iduze. Obviously lo bhola lizophumela ngaphandle or lithathwa abanye abantu. Amazulu they score out of the blues. I mean, yeah, out of nothing, because truly speaking, this game deserves good penalty. Yeah, true. I mean, there was no agency between both teams. And both teams, but like creativity. they didn't have a middle fielder who were responsible, confident players, like middle. So nama players that are front, both of the teams, they were poor. I'm sorry, so negative defense about teams, credited but Felix, me na go about man of the match for me. A man of the match for this game is the guy. I mean, it's cool, Amazulu, chop. Look at the guy. He wanted to be forward as a defensive center back, pushing all the way at forward. I change direction. Diagonal switch around boxing. The guy wanted something with and he did it. Look at the composure. Peggy goal. Aga plasang goalkeeper. There's a difference between Kushano goal. The guy score. Upeki positioning kakhulu mshala la suka khona ukhuna mbamba uyazi ibhola libuya ngapha ukhune vele ufocus the side walishala. It was a goal. So credit to Amazulu ukuthi win, but going forward they need to change how they play. I mean, in this game they didn't deserve anything. Both teams now, Kaizer Chiefs as well. Unnecessary signing akamthetho mina ngikhuluma ngayo. Umthetho wankule unnecessary. Unosithebe, unoMarto, unoCastillo, unalomfana uzwane. Ngikhuluma ngalo udlala la ku Kaizer Chiefs. Kule position unnecessary to sign umthetho. This player Kaizer Chiefs neStellen Pochers fani. Ngokutshela before yakhumbula noTsohlila. Mela spanning comfortability yakho. You can't lose the ball alone, you want. Ungafaki pressure. You can't turn in wrong directions. You cannot ungakwazi go pass. Sometimes kufana umjita melazi i-team mayidlala uyolinkayo ukuthi ibhola lizefika la mihla ayekupepa la ku defense yakhe, otherwise ngeke basuke la. Angithi uyamazi uMarty cannot come and fetch this ball. uMarty uzogijimela ngale yafina ama opponent. So when always you are forced to play long ball sideways as well. So it looks ngathi uyaspana, but umjita ibhola njengale manje le foul creator lapha. I mean possible kahle ngo left maphala. Use the proper basic lapho possible. There was no way ukuthi ungadlali outside uzazi ukuthi uqinile that much. Awunayo footwork. So it's unnecessary signing yakhe. Ngoba ama game uzovela and slowly is going to come uzombona. Nale shooting ayenza from far. It's unnecessary shootelana. Team is losing 1-0. Ushayilana le bhola lize lishaye nyaweni. Just hold the ball, security ball. So compliment to Amazulu, but Amazulu going forward, they need to change the way.
Yeah, I need to ask you one more thing. Coach looked like he was under pressure. What SuperSport did, which was clever, immediately, when they were throwing some few things there, they made sure that the cameras were not focusing on the action. Even now, it's 10 minutes after the game, and they've made sure that they've moved on to another game. Surely there's something that's happening there. And it Chiefs Bachilo Bati, one more thing. If you do this thing, vandalization, it's automatic. One match behind closed doors. Uchilu uzola machav. Let's forget about that. Let's talk about Umtsek. I think, this is a cup competition. He's out of it. Sexela Manjanet Bank, because he's obviously not going to win the league. I think the time bomb is ticking now. I think it's just a matter of time. Uguti, they're going to make a decision. And it's a bigger question, Uguti. Who thought it was a clever idea to take someone on as a coach at iDiskiTV, of the biggest team in this country?
A technical team, Kaizer Chiefs, themselves to be blamed. I need to be honest. Don't you see coach that could coach Kaizer Chiefs? Where did he coach?
Absolutely.
Motsepe Foundation Championship, he never coach. Coach Guhamun. I heard Mang check record like yes, Guhamun was junior national team under 17. He went there Bafana, assistant, and then a caretaker. I think we coach about 9 games. We need to be honest. The guy has never proved himself. If I na little appointment ada, but we risk nje ukuthi bamthathe bamlahlele lapha angakaza coach anyway, especially whereby there's competition. Angikhulumi ngabo ku TTC lapha. So Kaizer Chiefs, it was a wrong appointment with one point. But the problem vele yeninkinga. But they need to do even if they bring Kevin, it's not a solution only. I'm happy, but not only Kevin Johnson. They need to fully technical team. They need to bring players at his players they like chasing El Sinde. You need a scout that clever, people who are knowledgeable, favors, and then who will point players as what is a figure coach, and then those coach coach improve days. And the Malibalung is single look like Ama results coaches of figure, Nalabantabas about to point and Kulmange one. Me Nangu Mr. Kizam the guy has done a lot and well with only time with he brand is figure. But truly speaking, he brand is going down now. they're not winning anything. And indlela still is going forward. Angeke ukuthi iyolunga iChiefs isadlala so. It's going to be worse. So they need to, please, they must bring Saibeka namanje. Restructure development for Ian. Again, all over. Mina ngisasho uFarouk noma bangamkhomba kuleko man you can go ever. Leyangwenya leya is one of the best coach in terms of head of development. And abantu azobapointa ngikhuluma ngama coach azoba lapha phambi kwakhe. I can tell you it doesn't make favor. Mdlale lapha leyangwenya isenzela ngefavor. Akathi lo ngoba ubuya kuphi I don't need him or lo ubuya kuphi I need. No, you must showcase and then improve by training. And then there's no different. I know ukuthi uFarouk angeke ama player wakhe kube inkinga ukuthi afike ku first team at league. How many years iKaizer Chiefs has never produced such players that are exciting? Why mele struggle makumele ithole player more skillful than Kaizer Chiefs eqaleni ukudlala without creativity. Ama player kwazi ukulanda abantu. Usikhuluma ngama player that can do things out of the blues. Individual brilliance umuntu ozokhukha abantu abayithiwa bamba ibhola lihlalele kula siphola ekhoneni. Or I want to, I mean, fans, that's why ubonile game ayiqala. I mean, it looks like bengishoda ngeke attend. So unfortunately it's a truly speaking it's sad, yabo, especially former players abaye bayenza umlando abadlale lapha.
Just a few words on Mulefensek. What do you think is going to happen with him? No one knows what happens tomorrow, but do you think there could be a meeting now about his future?
I hate him, fit. We need to be honest.
You think that was his last game?
I mean, truly speaking, kuleko noma ngiyekuzwile ukuthi uzola de machavu kayushila ukuthi if anything. But le ngaphandle kwaloko, I mean, the guy has lost MTN8. Uluzile, my league is not going to win. Uluzile cup, calling black label. So clearly, he's taking the team to the wrong direction. Can he move away? Very good game according to me. I don't think he's going to come back. If he come back, kuyobe risk enkulu kakhulu. I'm telling you, he risk enzima kakhulu. Manje senimbeka imbawule enhloko ebovu. Yeah, so it's a unfortunate situation, but it tells you maybe so kube nje. So igame yakho kuqina for me nkulu, just as simple as straightforward. Yeah.
Okay, there you go. The Kaizer Chiefs. Well done to Amazulu. It's a shame, really, because every time the two teams are playing, you have to congratulate one team and the other one. Of course, you have to talk about them as well. But to be genuinely honest, these teams, there's fun as well too. Like, even if they win the Chiefs, the mood was going to be the same. They make this game boring. There's no creativity. I remember Tembele's Kakane just crossing the ball, and there's no one there. Cross again the ball. There's no one there. So both teams were so poor. Well done to Tarek Felix. You deserve anything from this game. Ukba, man of the match, you deserve everything because you were the one who really was trying. It is iDiskiTV, it is Good Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching.